Hello everyone. We are the team NIET New Tech, and we are here to present our innovative project for Smart India Hackathon 2024 under the Renewable and Sustainable Energy theme. Our project focuses on problem statement Idaho 1545, which calls for the development of a non-electrical device for solar tracking. This system enhances the movement of solar panels by optimizing their alignment with the sun, ultimately improving their efficiency. Our goal is to develop a non-electrical, low-maintenance solution for tracking the sun's movement and enhancing the efficiency of solar panels. Our solution involves a nature-inspired tracking mechanism that mimics the movement of sunflowers. We propose using liquid crystalline elastomer, which is like a spring, and carbon nanotube as the key components of the tracking mechanism. In our project, CNTs shrink when heated by sunlight, causing the LCE spring to contract. This contraction rotates the solar panel to face the strongest sunlight. As the sun sets, the CNT cools down, and the LCE expands, returning the panel to its original position. Coming to the technical approach, the LCE CNT assembly is designed to work autonomously. CNTs respond to temperature changes, and their interaction with the LCE is responsible for the rotational movement of the panel. This is a low-maintenance system that doesn't rely on external power sources or mechanical parts that are prone to failure. It offers a sustainable, cost-effective solution to optimizing solar panel efficiency. Let's look at the flowchart of our system. The process begins with the sun heating the CNTs, which leads to the contraction of the LCE spring, rotating the panel. At night, when the temperature drops, the CNTs cool down, causing the spring to expand. Our nature-inspired design offers a robust and reliable solar tracking mechanism. By optimizing the solar panel's orientation, we can significantly increase energy generation. This also reduces maintenance costs and prolongs the lifespan of solar PV. Now these are our references which helped us for collecting different types of components from different sources. In conclusion, our non-electrical solar tracking system offers an innovative, sustainable solution to enhance the efficiency of solar energy systems. We are excited to continue developing this concept in the renewable energy source. Thank you.